Welcome back guys to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix network error on your TikTok. So first, go to your settings, make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi and that Wi-Fi is working. Um, and then if you're using data, so I'll switch to data, make sure that you have uh, data or your data is working. So if after checking on those TikTok is not yet working, you can go to settings. So just click your profile and then go to settings icon, and then you just go scroll down and see free up space. So clear your cache and your downloads to clear up the bugs that may be in your application. And then you can also go to data saver and make sure that it is turned off. Alright, so that's how you fix TikTok network error. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please do like and subscribe to this channel.